Hi guys, in this video we are going to be reviewing Drugstore liquid lipsticks. For this video I have 5 products. I have done a lip swatches for all of them and also a full day wear test. I'm going to show you close-ups for all of the products before and after, so you can see how they were looking after a couple of hours. Let me know in the comments below if you have a favorite liquid lipstick from the drugstore so I can try it in a future video. I have products for 2 more Drugstore liquid lipstick review videos, so don't forget to subscribe to get notified for those videos as well. Oh, I have something on my lashes, I don't see. All is good. I also have a playlist with a lot of best and worst drugstore makeup products. You can find they are the best bronzers, highlighters, foundations, now liquid lipsticks. I'm going to have a link in the description box below. I'm gonna start off with a product by e.l.f. Cosmetics. You can find this one in 11 shades and it is the liquid matte lipstick. I have it here in the shade Berry Sorbet and we have a berry lipstick. This product comes with a doe foot applicator. It has a teardrop shape and also a hole in the center that helps to collect more product, and you can apply just one coat all over your lips. It is very easy to apply the product with this doe foot applicator. You can outline the lips and also fill them in. With this one we have a creamy formula. It is very lightweight on the lips and it's not sticky. It is very smooth. I also like a lot that it dries very fast. You don't need to wait. For liquid lipsticks, I think that this is very important. With this one we have a very light chemical scent. It's not overpowering. It sounds like the perfect liquid lipstick, right? However, the longevity was not the best. On me it lasted 5.5 hours. You can see that I lost some product on the inner part of the lips. That's usually the case for me when I'm using a liquid lipstick because I'm eating, I'm drinking, and what to do? We are human. At the end of the wear test, it was not looking terrible. You can also reapply some and the product is looking smooth again on the lips. I'm gonna give it 4.5 stars because it wasn't so long lasting, but it looks very nice. Moving on to a very popular liquid lipstick that a lot of people like, but I don't. And this one is by Maybelline, the Super Stay Matte Ink. You can find this one in 35 colors and I have here the shade 25 Heroine. The color of this one is just so pretty. We also have the same type of applicator with the previous liquid lipstick, however this is not the same. I had a very hard time to outline the lips, to apply the color and have an opaque layer. I was always with a Q-tip with this one and I was trying to correct the outline. It was just very difficult to apply the product with this applicator, and this is not cheap. This is $9.49. It is one of the most expensive products that you're gonna see in this video. Regarding the formula, this is creamy but also very sticky. After I ate, it stopped being sticky. Most probably I ate the sticky layer. That's bad. For this one we have a sweet chemical scent. Again, not something very strong, so for all of the products I don't have something negative to say about the scent. It lasted on me for about 8 hours and it was looking terrible. It was crusty. I lost some color on the inner part again. It was very dry on the lips and also it was not looking nice with a second coat. It's very sick again. It looks disgusting. With this formula the product was building up and it was looking like a goopy mess. It wasn't nice, so you cannot really retouch with this one, which is very sad because it's not cheap. It doesn't have a nice applicator. I'm going to give it 1 star. I know it's not a lot, but it's not good. You have seen how it looks. If you have tried this one and you like it, let me know in the comments which shade you have. Maybe the formula is different, so let us know in the comments. I don't want to kick this out from the liquid lipstick family, but it's not good. We continue with another beautiful product by e.l.f. This time we have the Sheer Matte Liquid Lipstick and you can find this in 6 colors. I have it in the shade Pink Peony. We have again the same type of applicator. For this product is convenient. This one also dries very fast like the other liquid lipstick, this one here. For this product I didn't have high expectations because it says that it is a sheer matte formula. So I was anticipating something with a very light color. However, we have a very nice color payoff. The formula is very nice. It is lightweight, creamy. It is easy to apply the product. This product has a completely matte finish and it is also transfer proof. For this one, I have done a 10-hour wear test. I had lost a little bit on the inner part of the lips, and it was also very easy to reapply and have a beautiful light color on the lips. Don't forget that this is a sheer matte liquid lipstick, so don't expect something with a very intense color. For this one, I have 5 stars because it is what it says. The price is very good, the longevity, you can retouch it. It is a very nice product if you like sheer matte liquid lipsticks, don't forget that. After that, I have the Kardashians of the liquid lipsticks. I'm sure that you have heard about this, you have seen it in the drugstore, and this is the Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick by L'Oreal. This is from the collection Le Macaron. I have the shade 828 from Was Frenzy. This is such a gorgeous color, and as you can see, we have again a very similar applicator with the e.l.f. liquid lipsticks. With this product we have a light sweet chemical scent. It reminds of vanilla, macaroons, not overpowering at all. In this collection you can find 7 colors. The applicator makes your job so easy. You can apply the product immediately. With this liquid lipstick we have an amazing color payoff. It has a creamy formula and it is very easy to apply the product on the lips. It is lightweight, however it is very sticky. It doesn't dry until the end of the day. The stickiness reminds a lot the Maybelline liquid lipstick, but this one is easier to apply. This one is not completely transfer proof, but it has such a fantastic longevity. It lasted on me about 10 hours and it was looking like new. I didn't even have to retouch with this product. This product is for someone that is not able to reapply the liquid lipstick during the day. Another thing that I like with this product is that it's not completely matte. It has like a very light sheen and it gives a very natural finish to the lips. They are not looking dry all day long. For this one I have 4.5 stars because it's not transfer proof and also it is very sticky. So in the next video with liquid lipsticks I'm going to have the L'Oreal Le Chocolat collection, so we're going to see if it is the same formula. The next liquid lipstick is this one by Essence, the Color Boost Mad About Matte Liquid Lipstick. This is one of the most affordable products in this video. The cost of it is $3.99, so you know, $4. For this product we have a completely different applicator. This one is rounded. We have a shape like an hourglass. This shape doesn't work for the darker shades because I have done a lip swatches video for all of the colors of this product and you cannot outline very precisely. This liquid lipstick has a lighter formula than the other liquid lipsticks. It is watery but it has a nice color payoff, except the darkest that you need to apply a little bit more. But because of the lightweight formula, you can apply a second layer and it looks very nice. Another good point for this product is that it dries quickly. It gives a completely matte finish. About the scent, this one is almost scentless. You don't really smell something and that's very nice. Also it is completely transfer proof. I was able to have this on my lips for about 5 hours and it faded a little bit on the outer corners. It's very easy to reapply some because the formula is very lightweight. I really like that. I'm going to give this one 4.5 stars as well because of the longevity and also the doe foot applicator. You can find here lip swatches for all of the colors. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell and I will see you in the next one. Bye!